Hey, this is Kane with BTI Wheel Factory. We're doing a Wheel Factory check-in of a brand new um, offering through BTI Wheel Factory. This is our highest end wheel that we have built so far. It is a kind of heavy-duty Enduro wheel set. These are Crankbrothers Synthesis Enduro carbon rims laced to DT370LN hubs. These rims are front and rear tuned, front and rear specific. The front rims are a little wider, have a lower spoke count, and just have a different layup, so they're a little more compliant for kind of comfort and better front end grip. The rear rims are a little bit narrower, a little heavier layup, just to prioritize strength for like the impacts that your rear wheel is going to see. Super high end rim. They feel great. The finish on these is about the best of any rim we've ever worked with. Yeah, we're lacing them with double-bedded DT competition spokes, alloy nipples because we're shooting for a good weight on these wheels. And these are laced to DT370 LN hubs. These are the newest version of the 370 that has their traditional star ratchet, which is the same ratchet that's been in like DT350s and of older DT240s. These ratchets are upgradable, so you can upgrade them to a 36 tooth or a 54 tooth ratchet for more engagement or more clicking or whatever you want out of them. Super reliable, sealed bearings all around. Yeah, awesome wheel set. These are being sold as wheel sets, so we're doing a 29 set and a 27.5 set. We can put together a mullet wheel set on request. Just give us a call and see what availability is like. The wheels will come with a tubeless setup, so you'll get tubeless tape and some black alloy tubeless valves. The rims have a lifetime warranty for manufacturing defects, and in the event of just sending something too big or you damage it just from hitting that wrong rock at the wrong time, there is a good crash replacement policy on these as well. Yeah, awesome wheel, one we're really proud of. It's the highest end wheel we've put out. Check out the prices, they're pretty good for what you get on this package. And yeah, check them out.